Hello friends, welcome to class 5th Wednesday's third session for this lesson. Last we have talked about the different tests. What test we are getting? Spicy test is obtained from chili, mustard, black pepper, ginger, ajwain, garlic, cinnamon, clove, white pepper, etc. It also kills harmful organisms which is there inside in our stomach. Secret digestive juices. It is sprinkling digestive juices, but too much is creating acidity for us. Next one rhyme is given. No one loves me as I taste plum and crest. Help rid of cough and bad tasting mucus. I am the best. Turmeric, pulses, mango seed, betel nut, etc. have astringent taste. It removes sticky substance from your body, which is stick into the food pipe. It is taking along to the stomach and remove it. Mango seed and betel nut are used as a mouth freshener and remove stickness from our mouth. People just spit me out, but when sick, gulp and gobble, know my virtues for healthy life. Bitter taste is noble taste. No one likes it. It is naturally, it is not. When we taste bitter something, we just spit it out. And our mouth expression also will become some kind of odd. But actually it is keep our body disease free as it throws the waste out. That is a very common thing. On the basic of introduction, some task is given here. We have to fill the table. If you use component of turmeric, what is its color? Then answer is yellow. What is taste? Astringent. Where to use in kitchen and where to use as a herbal one? It is used in kitchen and it is a world best antibiotic, so apply on injuries. Does it smell? If it smell, then we have to put yes in the column. Remaining columns I shall give you. Then some ingredient used in the kitchen provide taste and flavor and aroma to our food. Aroma means sweet smell. It is known as appetite, increase our hungerness, health capacity, health stimulant, which is used in our food with as an extra thing. For example, jaggery. For example, variety of pickles, athana. Then here they have given one table: jaggery, ginger, cinnamon and methi, coriander, clove, curry leaves, sugar, chili, cardamom, garlic, asafoetida, tamarind, black pepper, dry ginger, mustard, kokum, ajma, lemon. Then they have asked our choice. Many students like Chinese and Punjabi more rather than the Gujarati, but I prefer Gujarati food is the best food, and especially Kathiawadi Desi food is the best food. I prefer. You may have your different choices. Excess of the taste and aroma in the food is harmful for our health. Due to this rapid increase, patient of heart attack and diabetes. According to the season, our country, proper use of taste and spices should be made. Then again one table work is given, which is used for the primary treatment, herbal medicine from our kitchen. That also we should consider. Next session we shall talk more. Thank you.